Hey everyone, today I am trying to diagnose a problem with a dishwasher that I picked this up for free. Um, and the problem is the cancel light keeps blinking, and I think if you try starting it, it does nothing. Yep, does nothing. Cancel button does nothing. So according to the internet, it's a bad control panel. There's a stuck button, but I don't believe that to be the case. I already kind of opened this up and took it apart and inspected it. I don't see any obvious problem with the ribbon cable, and here's another reason why I don't think buttons are stuck. Get you in close. So right now I can press any button and you can see it registers. And it's misbehaving because of the error, but you can see the buttons are briefly lighting up when I press them. And actually the cancel button stopped blinking. But basically another reason I don't think it's the control panel, and I think it's the circuit board, is because I did actually get this unit to run for a little while and it was doing some really strange things. There was a couple times where I had it where it was running, and as soon as the drain pump kicked on, the whole unit rebooted. It stopped the cycle and just kind of restarted, and it did that twice in a row. Then I got it to run, and it seemed like it was running okay, but then mid-cycle it seemed like it stopped and rebooted, and all of the control panel lights just went completely dark, but the unit was still running. So I already tried reseating connectors on the main control panel, or the main circuit board. So I think it's just a bad circuit board. And I was able to get another one off of eBay for 30 bucks. So this should be pretty much the same exact unit, and we're going to try swapping it out and see if that fixes the problem. So we're going to unplug it, and let's finish taking this apart. Unhook the control panel so I can just set it off to the side. Put screws back in it. Yeah, I got the latch screw in there. Basically, I'm just unscrewing one of the screws up here. Okay, this should come right off. And where's the camera? So we got this wire here going into this ribbon cable, and I did pop this off And I inspected that, all that, and that all looks good. Like I said, I don't see any damage to that. I don't think any of the buttons are actually stuck. So this is really easy. There is a little tab in the bottom that you just press on slightly in the back. And these come out. These you just press on here. They pop out. And looks like someone put a screw in here. I don't know if that is factory or not. It certainly doesn't seem like it is. And the tabs are broken off on this old unit. And looks like the tabs are partially broken off on this unit. It's not perfect, but okay. So I think that there is labels down here. Yep, there are labels on the bottom. So yellow, violet, brown. And those are the only wires this particular unit has. And these only go on one way. So we have that reconnected as it's supposed to be. control panel. Okay, we'll latch the door. Plug this back in. Now let's plug the unit back in. Say we want it light, we don't want to heat it dry. Cancel light is no longer blinking. And we'll start a cycle. Drain pump did kick in. We'll give this a minute to see if it appears like it's behaving. It's letting water in. While this is testing, I'm going to pop open the case for the circuit board and see if I can see anything noticeable. There is the bare circuit board, and I don't see any obvious component failures. Alright, well, our dishwasher seems like it's running. And let it run through a cycle, and hopefully everything will be good. So thanks for watching, everyone.